Bitcoin is further pumping, bratans, and I explain you exactly why it's pumping, and we are speaking about one specific altcoin which could pump even more. We spoke already in the Telegram group about. But let's right now quickly watch here. I explain you in a second why we saw here this further pump to the upside, and obviously we are reaching here nearly to our price target of 30k, and I'm still expecting that we will reach it. And why? Now let us go quickly to the news. I explain you. It's obvious. China and France companies complete first cross-border yuan settlement of LNG trade. And why this is so amazing, or why it caused Bitcoin to pump? Because obviously, quick history, very quick. The dollar, why it's so strong? Because of the petrodollar, right? Saudi Arabia and America in the 70s, when they disconnected the dollar from gold. So what they did a trade of oil in Saudi Arabia, that Saudi Arabia has to trade oil in dollar. This was one of the reasons why the dollar is still so strong, and this is the reason why dollar became world currency. I won't say cryptocurrency. No, world currency. So, and right now, what happened? Some French companies did a trade with LNG gas. This is historical moment, because usually, or not usually, even before all this war happened, and several years ago, or last year, everyone traded commodities, doesn't matter what, resources like oil and so on, gas, in dollar. And right now they did in yuan deal. And not only this, but also if I'm here, wait a minute, I show you here, not only this, but also UAE, the beautiful country where I'm living, bratans, they also here, wait a minute, 1 second, where is it? Where was it? 1 second. I have to. Here. You see, in the first 65,000 tons from UAE, China completes yuan settled LNG trade. And what this mean? This obviously mean, bratans, that Saudi Arabia, it's only a question of time till Saudi Arabia will follow. And this is what right now getting priced in the market, because the dollar, because of this news, we see dollar further dumping as we are expected. You see, the dollar is further dumping. You see it here. We are expecting the dollar will dump till 101.56. And I told you, as soon as the dollar dump, crypto pumps. This is, in most of the cases, this is the reason why we see right now crypto is pumping, right? Obviously, another reason, there are several reasons. Another reason is because of the bailouts for the banks, right? Because the Fed start printing money to help out the banks, the 3 banks which got bankrupt. This is also one of the reasons. However, again, bratans, this is not the bull market. I could be horribly wrong here. Do your own research. But as Michael Burry says, and I trying to understand very successful people, and after I do my own research, and this is what you should also do. If you watch my videos, do after your own research. He said in Q3, Q4, we will see another massive inflation spike, which will cause a massive recession, a real recession, which will start after. This is what I'm also expecting, because obviously when they start printing money right now, what happened after printing money? We see the prices go up of the stocks of crypto, but the inflation goes up. And if the inflation goes up, what the Fed has to do after, they have to increase the interest rates even more. So we are heading right now straight into hyperinflation, and this is, as expected, a relief rally to the upside. When has the relief rally an end? And we'll speak also about the altcoin. One second. We are expecting that this relief rally will go at least to $30, right? So this is a still opportunity of around of around 4%, I would take profit slightly below 30k. As I told you, if you are in a long position, please make sure that your stop loss below the weekly first support 25k or even below 22,600, or the safest, if we can speak about safe, is below this blue support line of symmetrical broadening wedge below 19,000, because obviously we could see here to liquidate all the longs to the daily support breakdown, to the weekly, to this, or even to the second weekly before we see again a pump to 30k. This could easily happen. Just be prepared for it. If we're breaking even 30k to the upside, then obviously the very last price target is here around, it depends on time frame, obviously around 34, 35k. Why? Because we have here this white line, which is a massive resistance line, and this resistance line is 2 years resistance line. You know, if you watch my videos, support, perfect support and resistance. This will not be broken, in my opinion. This will not be broken, and I'm expecting, as we saw also in the previous, we saw dump, we saw relief rally to the upside, and then we saw again a new dump to 16,000 or 15,000, or even we could go even as low as $7,000. And then in 2024, as you see here down below, 2025, after the halving, the bull market will start. But we will create a new low. This is for sure. Will it be lower than here, this previous low? Nobody knows, but I'm sure we will go below 20k again. I'm very, very sure. It's only a matter of time, and this is exactly what we saw also last previous bear market. We saw a massive dump, then we saw relief rally, everyone bull market, and then we saw massive dump, and then the bull market begins, right? Obviously, history is not repeating 101, but it's quite similar, and this is also regarding the Wyckoff accumulation. If you know it, this looks perfectly like the Wyckoff accumulation. I can speak also in depth about this. Ethereum quickly. Ethereum obviously trying to break monthly, weekly resistance line. I expecting, if Bitcoin further pump, that we will also break it. We'll straight go to $2,000. It's 9% pump. And if we break $2,000, then we could go the highest. What I expect the relief rally is around $2,500. It's 40% still possible here. Why? $2,005 massive support and resistance line. You see here based on the past 1 year resistance line, and now we are coming to the altcoin which is connected to Ethereum layer 2 solution. Yes, Arbitrum. And you know it, we spoke here in our Telegram group about it, bratans. I told you I bought here Arbitrum. I exactly told you I bought it $1.18 here, for example, on spot. Right now, if we are switching to Arbitrum, and I tell you about the connection to Ethereum, we see Arbitrum is right now already at $1.36. So if you bought it here with me, then you know it, then you made here amazing profits, bratans. Wait a minute, I have to check how much it is, and you see it pumping even further, man. This is fucking crazy. It's already, you made 16%, over 16% profits, and it could go even higher. So the massive next resistance line is $1.40, and then $1.47, and then we are in the price discovery, right? So why this could pump? It's obviously because we have the Shanghai update in our Telegram group. I told you, I made a video extra for you for the Telegram group. I told you that I sold some of my Arbitrum because I made already so much profits. So I want to be on the safe side. I sold some of them. We made already nice profits. And right now, why it can pump even higher? Because on the 12th April is Ethereum Shanghai update, right? And usually before we see massive pump, buy the rumor, sell the news. And if Ethereum see this massive pump, then obviously Arbitrum as a hype topic right now, we have always this hype topic, as I told you in crypto, will see as first reason this is just a hype topic because of they did the airdrop, people speaking about. So, and if people speaking about it, usually they're putting money inside, right? This first thing, and second thing, this layer 2 solution of Ethereum. So this directly connected to Ethereum. So I expecting Arbitrum, if Ethereum further pumps, further to pump to the upside. But Ethereum depends obviously on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin starts right now, for whatever reason, if we're getting bad news, massive bad news, that Fed start to increasing the interest rates massively, then we will see obviously Bitcoin down, then Ethereum has no chance to pump, and then Arbitrum. And it's always in trading that you understand, in crypto, Bitcoin or coins with the highest market cap are the safest. So Bitcoin is considered as a safer asset than the altcoins. Ethereum, the second, and Arbitrum, for example, is more risky because the market cap is low. And if the more down you go, the more risky it will be. However, the rewards could be even higher. But therefore, you have to be a professional trader. You have to educate yourself, bratans. So please, educate yourself. Go on Google, go on YouTube, Google all the information, educate yourself. Even if you think you are professional, you are not. You are learning. I'm still also learning. So please educate yourself. If you want, you can join our Telegram group. There we have 2 teachers for crypto and trading. Also, I share my personal information there. We're building a big team. I use the fee for building a team. Right now, right now is the 3rd March. So today and tomorrow, you can sign only for $30. Then you have for $30 a month. You can use it. You can watch it if you like it or not. Because from the 1st April, we will switch to $100 month's blood. Because I want to get out all these people who are starting like, oh, I want this, I want that, who don't understand. This money is made for people to building a team. And if you don't want to pay, you don't have to pay. Nobody tell you to pay for something. Go, all the information outside, you can search on YouTube, on Google. You don't have to do it. But if I am hiring a massive team to give you this information, they have also to be paid, right? So $100 is nothing. Usually you pay for a teacher for 1 hour, at least $100. And here you have 2 to 4 sessions a week with the teacher, live sessions with other students. You have signals, you have hidden gems, big reports on altcoins. This is massive. If you don't want, no problem. You can join on, you can go and search the information on YouTube, on Google. This is no secret information, Bratan. I have some insights from VCs and so on, which I share. However, if you do your own research, you can find even better things. I hope you understand. You can join for 2 days for $30 if you want. If not, no problem, Bratans. Search the information on Google. And Ethereum, I told you. Arbitrum, I told you. Yes, how to get into this group, Bratans, very quickly. I shared the link in the description and the first pinned comment. Here, it's very easy. Just click on the link down below and there is a bot which will show you exactly how to get into this group. It's very easy. You can pay with crypto, you can pay with PayPal, credit card, whatever you want. Thank you, everyone, for watching, Bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.